Welcome to RoBox Design. RoBox Design is your premier UK-based provider of innovative tap locks and wall-mounted enclosures for secure outdoor water solutions. Specializing in wall-mounted and insulated tap boxes, our products are designed to protect your outdoor water points from unauthorized access, harsh weather conditions, and wear. Whether you need a custom solution or a standard product, RoBox Design has you covered with top-quality materials, including galvanized steel and marine-grade 316L stainless steel, ensuring durability and peace of mind. Tap Jaw, the ultimate tap lock solution. Secure your outdoor taps with Tap Jaw, a revolutionary enclosure design for both residential and commercial properties. Made from robust galvanized steel or marine-grade 316L stainless steel, Tap Jaw offers unmatched protection and ease of use, eliminating the need for full cover removal and ensuring long-lasting security against unauthorized access. Tap Jaw is the ultimate tap enclosure for unbeatable protection and ease of use. Choose strength, choose flexibility. Choose Tap Jaw today. Insulated tap enclosures. For those in colder climates, our insulated tap enclosures provide essential protection against freezing temperatures. These enclosures ensure a consistent water supply throughout the winter, preventing costly damage to your outdoor taps. Brass garden taps and hose connectors. Our brass garden taps and connectors are the epitome of durability and reliability. Resistant to corrosion and weather damage, these taps are designed to last, providing a leak-free and secure connection for all your outdoor watering needs. Replacement Karcher pressure washer hoses. Upgrade your cleaning tools with our replacement hoses, designed for Karcher pressure washers. Engineered for high-pressure performance and durability, these hoses ensure a secure, leak-free fit and make outdoor cleaning a breeze. RoBox Design is dedicated to creating tailored solutions that meet your specific needs, ensuring that every product not only enhances the security and functionality of your outdoor water systems, but also adds to the overall aesthetics of your space. Choose RoBox Design today and experience the best in tap enclosure innovation.